In this Realtor.ca tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to find recently sold homes here on the Realtor.ca application. Once Realtor.ca is opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left, make sure that the search button is selected. If it's not, go to the bottom right, press on menu, and then go to the bottom left, press on search. You want to get to this screen right here. At the top, type in your area. So if you wanted to find homes, let's just say in Toronto, for instance, right here, Toronto, Ontario. You now have Toronto selected. Go to the top right, press on the filters button right here. Make sure that residential is selected, and you have three different options right below that. You have for sale, you have for rent, and you want to actually see sold right here. So press on sold right here. It actually only is available in some regions, so it could not be available in your region perhaps, but you can go ahead and try it. Once that is done, you can change the settings this way. Once that is done, go to the bottom right. And what you can actually do now is view listings that were recently sold in the area. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find recently sold homes here on Realtor.ca. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.